Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the Sound Box. It's named after Kagan Sound, previously known as Kagan Schaefer, who designed this beautiful pattern styling in his puzzles, and the object of the puzzle is to make some nice patterns, and then of course the pattern that is the right pattern will open the box. And as you can see, things are connected, so whenever you turn one of the rings at the bottom, some other rings will turn with it. And this is something I've shown you already in my magic transmission, where things are connected at a distance, and here we have a similar magic connection that keeps connecting. And you see all the patterns, they are quite beautiful, but this sound box comes with a whole set of challenges. So one challenge is to have them all aligned in a row. And yeah, here we have another challenges with the little squares, and a challenge with some zigzags, and yet another challenge. So yeah, and let's see. And one more with rectangles. And of course these are the challenges that come with the puzzle, and one of those actually opens the box. So let me show you what's at the inside. And this is my previous prototype. In this prototype I did not use magnets, so this one has magnets that keeps aligning everything, which assures that however you turn it, it always turns into a nice pattern. For this one I didn't put in the magnets yet, but yeah, when you have solved it, you can open the box, and then once you have opened it, you can take it apart. Here you can hide your money, and then of course here the whole thing consists of rings and pins that interact with each other. And the pins, they also make clear why the puzzle is actually difficult to solve. Because the pins, when you're turning, then they bump into each other. You see here, this pin is, these are connected, and when you turn too far, they bump into each other, and you maybe cannot make the pattern that you wanted to make. But anyway, it's a fun puzzle to play, especially the version with the magnets that has these nice clicks and a little bit of frustration when things bump into each other. But that's the fun of it. And of course, it's very satisfying that when you have finally found the right pattern, you can open it and you can remove your cache. So my question to you is about the patterns. I showed you a whole bunch of patterns that you can make with it. And which of those patterns do you think is the prettiest of them? Thank you for watching.